Okay, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Okay, my name is Lau Kian Leong. Okay, currently I'm taking Masters of Business Administration in IIC University, Cambodia. Okay, so today, okay, this recording is done for my coursework purpose. Okay, so all the recording will be kept safely in terms of like privacy and confidentiality. Okay, and all the recordings will be viewed only by my lecturers. Okay, so the reason for my recording is okay to obtain some information from you regarding to organizational behavior problems. Okay, so now that I have told you about myself. Okay, would you like to tell me about yourself? Okay, can you tell me your name and what you do?
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Lau.
Uh,
So, yeah, my name is Tan Kian Kiat. Yeah, you can address me as KK. So, I'm currently working in Cyberjaya with T-System Malaysia. So, T-System Malaysia is a global MNC company, and it's based in Germany, and it's a member of Deutsche Telekom, also based in Germany. So T-System Malaysia has a total staff of 1,200 in Malaysia, and yeah, our business today is focusing on IT services, on hosting and also storage services.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So can you tell me more in details about your company background?
Yeah. Okay. So like I said, we major in hosting and storage services. So we provide server hosting services and also applications, storage, backup and restore services, yeah, network services. Yep. So in to our large customer, oil and gas company, and they are operated worldwide. So of course, we also have other client, which is having contract with us. So yeah, it's IT services.
Oh, totally it's IT services.
Yeah.
Is it do you only work like provide the services in Malaysia, or do you include other countries also?
Yeah, T-System Malaysia is one of the hub in Malaysia in Asia Pac.
Oh,
So we also operate in Europe region,
Okay.
America, and yeah. So we have 3 regions. So Asia Pacific, Europe, and America.
Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, so I would like to go into our main topic lah. Okay, so is it like very common like did you heard of the term of organizational behavioral problem?
Yes, definitely. So I think organizational behavior is something not new. I think
Yeah.
it happens in every companies, not just T-System Malaysia.
Okay.
So yeah, it's something normal which is happening.
Can you try to explain try to tell me what you understand about the organizational behavioral problem?
Okay, I think in Malaysia, typically what I've seen is that it also happened in T-System Malaysia and also other company as per feedback from my friends and other colleagues.
Okay.
I think one of the common problem or issues that we see today in an organization is communication.
Oh,
Yeah.
communication.
So people are just not communicating to through departmental yeah. So people are working in other words, people are working in silo. So
Oh.
they only work on their own,
Okay.
and they don't communicate. So what result from not communicating is it actually cause a lot of impact in terms of the quality of work you deliver at the end of the day, because you don't know what's the expectation of the other party, or yeah, or even from your top management. So the communications does not flow,
Okay.
and it makes things not working end to end.
Oh, okay. So, any other like okay, let us talk about more detail about communication. Okay, so as my understanding is like communication is like talking of like both sides.
Yep.
Okay, so how does this okay like will affect your organizational behavior? It becomes an organizational behavior in your company.
Okay, like I said, T-System Malaysia engage in delivering IT services, and I think one of the major objectives is we deliver values to our customer. Yeah. So how do we deliver? The quality? Value to business is through quality. So quality is something that we that we actually look very seriously. And how do we deliver quality? Through communications.
Okay.
From communications, only that works can be planned, delivered, and or I can say executed in a proper manner, strategic manner, because people communicate, so you know what other people are, what the stakeholders' expectations. So yeah, the information flows,
Yeah.
it flows from two ends, and at the end of the day, it actually form the goal that or the value that that you are actually looking for,
Oh, okay.
or you are working at.
So I assume that your company is facing lack of communication
Yes.
in terms of organizational behavioral problems.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, if you face this kind of problem, how do you solve it? Or in your company, how your company solve it?
Yeah, in T-System Malaysia, I think we do have a lot of activities or events, to instill people communicate, or encourage people to communicate rather than working on through emails channel. Yeah, because so what we do, so what T-System do, one of the example I think commonly done by other companies as well is through team buildings. We do have team buildings, so we have companies annual gathering.
Okay.
Yeah. So we actually get people to get together, see each other, recognize each other face to face, rather than working through emails and communicate through emails. And T-System also focus on guiding principle.
Oh, guiding principle. What is guiding principle?
Yeah.
It's quite new for me.
Yes. So guiding principle is something T-System, all the T-System staff instill when they onboard to T-System or when they join T-System. So maybe I give you three examples. We have five guiding principles. Maybe I just give you three guiding principles that T-System is looking into it, or the key areas that T-System is actually encouraging to build or to encourage people to communicate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, or at the end, or other words, to encourage a better organizational behavior. So what are the three? I think the first one is team together, team apart. That's number one. Number two, customer delight drive our actions. That's number two.
Okay.
Number three, respect and integrity. So I think these three key areas are the essence for T-System to actually encourage organizational behavior.
Or like to communicate with each
Yeah,
other.
exactly.
Can you give me some examples on each of the areas?
Yeah, okay. Of course. So let's start with team together, team apart. So I think it's very clear. Team together.
Yeah.
We encourage teamwork.
Yeah.
So to do teamwork, we need communication skill.
Yeah. Okay.
Team has to talk.
Uh,
Team together. So what it does? So team together, if you have teamwork, the team get together. So when team get together, you actually have communications. So you know the behavior just become better
Yeah,
because people talk
yeah.
to each other rather than they work on silo.
Not,
So-
not like facing robots every day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They are not doing a manufacturing line kind
Yeah.
of work. You know, it's robot kind. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So team together.
Okay.
Number two, customer delight, drive our actions. So what it actually means is that when we deliver a quality service or value to business or to customer, and when customer feedback, give good inputs, so it actually encourage us to work more, to work better, you know, and set our goals higher, and yeah. So this is actually giving a very positive result.
Okay, so from the customer delights the term, is it like effective communication is a key
Of course.
to create the customer delights?
Yes. Through communications, if both team are communicating, the stakeholder knows what to do, the output of the the result to achieve the goal is very much
Accurate or
yeah. So the quality is
what
there.
they want lah.
The quality is there.
Oh, okay.
So you actually achieve the quality.
So how about the third?
The
thing?
third is respect and integrity.
Ah.
So what it means, I think respect we know. So when we respect each other, it actually implying that you're giving a good impression
Okay.
to the others, and it actually triggers or it creates a
Some sort of like belongingness.
exactly,
Yeah.
you know, for the person to proactively talk to you,
Yeah.
you know, rather than no, they just chop the conversation and say because I'm not close to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so respect and integrity. So integrity is you're firm with your decisions. So
okay.
from the decisions, you gain respect.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
through that respect, the communication starts.
Yeah, I agree with you because like it's a very important. Communication skills is like I think respect is a very good term to use it. Okay.
It's-
Okay.
Yeah. So it's the basic. I would say
Yeah.
it's the communication is actually the basic to all the organization
Yeah.
behavior.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's the baseline. It's the foundation, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think I will stop here. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I will terminate this conversation.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.